Alright, so dito usapang crypto naman tayo, ayan. So, with my previous videos 'no, let's take a look at the higher time frame here. And like what I said, it's still on a downtrend generally, and but still there are some upside 'no, like from 62,000 it went up to 75. So that's a very big move then. Only to go down here sa 65 pabalik 'no. So for me 'no, like yung with my previous post, it's on a wide downtrend channel. So, I stated there na since na-touch niya nga ito, it may go sideways from here. And so, yun nga yung nangyari, no? And we're just waiting to for it to go back here at 70,000. And so that's our target. Kailangan muna mabasag nyo to. If not, then we can expect that it may go down from here. So what entry paano natin i-entryhan yan? So, dito, kung ma-reject siya and magkaroon ng confirmation, and which is, pag nabasag niya nga ito, nasa baba, no? Then we can put a sell stop position here with stop loss here, and targeting 60,000, and because that's the lowest from this range, and so it's gonna give us 1:2.5 risk to reward ratio, so not bad, and so if you want to enter from here, medyo alanganin, eh, 'no? So although yan 'no, it's a trend line, yan, yan. So meron siyang trend, yan, within the trend 'no. So very small, and it's basically the same, yan, 1:2.5, yan. So those are our options. If you want market execution, you can do sell right now or you wait for it to go down here. 'Pag 'pag dito tayo nag-antay 'no, 'pag dito tayo nag-antay, we can target lower, and we can even target 50. Okay? These are for those who are trading Bitcoin on a leverage, no? Kasi naka-sell short tayo with the spot, you can just buy and buy. And now for me, uh, you, you might want to buy at a lower price with Bitcoin. But for now, we can sell, and so meron tayong mga uh, uh, entries dito. And so by the way, we do provide trading signals sa ating community. Yan, so meron tayong signals for Bitcoin there and also gold. Yan, so mostly with gold and with Bitcoin. Yan, so these are the levels that we are looking at. So ano naman yung isa? So we have three options. It needs to go up here. Yan, so dito tayo i-entry. Yan. So it's still gonna give us around 2.65 risk to reward ratio, or since nandito na tayo sa baba, sa pinakataas no, ng trend line, it's usually a trigger. Yan, just like this, no? It's usually the trigger. Yan. Just like the others. So meron bang upside dito? So anything can happen. Kung ma-break niya ito, kung ma-break niya itong downtrend channel na to, then there's a possibility. But it needs to have uh, the characteristics of a bullish formation, which is, yun nga, higher highs and higher lows. Yan. Kung ma-break niya yan, wait for the retest here, then here, and that's our entry, no? At 75. So are we too late kung dyan tayo entry? Well, it's better to be late, no? And kung hindi naman yan ah, kung hindi naman yan makuha, kung hindi ka naman maka-enter diyan, there are a lot of assets na pwede nating ah, i-trade. So, huwag tayong ma-FOMO. Yan. So this is the bullish side. And mas malaking bullish side, pero we need to wait na ma-break niya yan. If there's a break, kung ma-break out niya yan, then we need to wait for a retest for a conservative entry. Yan. So, ito naman, kung ma-break niya yan, neckline yan, it's kind of forming, yan, let's look at a different picture, no? So kasi dito 'no, it's like this, ganito information niya, 'yan. So it's the same. Pero, hindi naman natin sinasabi na, baka this time it's different. So kung ma-break niya ito, kung ma-break niya ito, ayan, then we can expect some upward movement, 'yan. So this is like, forming some triple bottom formation, and there's also bullish divergence, 'yan. So but still we are bearish 'no. So okay, pakita ko lang ulit, we are bearish with Bitcoin, not to the extent that it's going to lose value 'no, but we need to wait. It's gonna go up, but for now, we need to wait. Okay, so these are expectation, and we are going to short it once na tumama siya dun sa dulo or here, yan. Again, this is a sell stop and a sell limit order. And that's it for our Bitcoin analysis and outlook. So I hope to see you sa aming Telegram community. So nandiyan lang